Eh,
Exactly.
it was still fun.
Yeah.
All that matters at the end of the day.
Indeed.
All right,
Exactly.
GG boys.
Thank
Thank you for the game.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Goomba and Mima are by themselves. Well, that was gonna be it for me, guys. I hope y'all had as much fun as I did. Guess we're ending goal. Yes, quite a bit early today, but I got some stuff to do still, and I still want to go to bed early or as early as possible. So, you know, gotta get some sleep. So yeah. Let me check who we're gonna raid. I'll just start it. If we can talk for another 15 minutes, we can raid Bell, or we just raid Bell. Or we could do Ujax or Mike, Mia or Snow or damn, there's a lot of people streaming. Holy cow. I bet everyone is gonna be playing Overwatch in a bit. Well, she's still starting her stream, but I think we should just raid in. It's nicer for me to raid and run. So let's fucking do that. Alright. Oh. You know. I'm gonna do the raid 4. Yes, we're quitting Goomba. Because y'all left us. Yeah, we gotta do some things in the house still before we go to sleep, so Panda by the way. So I'm just gonna raid in to Belle. Y'all have some fun. She's gonna be playing Overwatch. Gonna play the new game mode. We only lost Goomba. Wait, I gotta let's do what are we waiting for? Already. Let's do this one, guys. Just for fun. They are all in plat. They're all in plat together. And where is she? All right, let's go, guys. Thanks a lot again for a great stream. I had a lot of fun. Maybe we'll stream tomorrow, but that's a big maybe. If not, we will be here again on Thursday with possibly Overwatch? Question mark. And we're also gonna play the other neighborhood game. I think it's like $10 or something, and it's a lot of fun. Please maybe come. I'll try, Mima, as long as you join. Yeah. All right, guys. Have a good one. Bye bye.